And here's a good transformation question. They say describe how the function g of x equals negative 4 root x can be obtained from the basic graph. So the basic graph, what they're talking about is this one right, whoops, that's white, you can't see that, is this graph right there. So f of x equals root x, and that's this one right here. Y, or I guess I'll use f of x. This is f of x is equal to root x. So they're saying, show how this graph is transformed from the base one. Okay, so both negative and the 4, those are both in the a spot. Like the general function would look like this. It would be a and then root b x minus c over b, we won't worry about that right for a second, plus d. So that's what the general function will look like. So this minus 4 is in the a spot. So the a and the d, both of those, affect y values. So they'll either stretch them or shrink them or flip them, but everything with a and d is about y. So start with the graph of that, and then I'm just looking at the order that they're doing it in. So they're looking at the negative number, or the negative sign there, and they're looking at the 4 separately. So I think that they're wanting to look at the 4 first. So the first thing, so what that 4 does, and here, this graph here is y is equal to negative root x, and this graph is y equals negative 4 root x. So you see immediately what the negative does is that flips it over this x-axis. So the original one goes up like this one comes down like that. So that negative flips it over this x-axis. And then what the 4 does is it stretches it vertically. So it says, start with that graph, then you're probably going to stretch it vertically. That's what will be in this box here. By multiplying each, again, a and d both affect y. So you're going to multiply each y coordinate by 4, because that's the number out front there, is a 4. And then you finally reflect it, that's where the minus comes in, reflect it across the x-axis. Okay, hopefully that helps you. Hopefully that'll help you with that one.